In this video, we're going to be learning how to find the devices that are online in a network. We will first learn how to find the local devices in a network, meaning that the devices that are connected to my router or Wi-Fi. Then we're going to learn how to find the online devices in a remote network, and we can do this with the tool called Nmap. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. One of the features of Nmap is that you can discover the online devices in a network. So let's see how to use Nmap in our kalilinux. So I'm in my kalilinux right now. I will first open the terminal and type the command IP space A and press enter. In the output, the name of my interface is eth0. I'm using this interface to connect to my Wi-Fi. This is my IP address and I'm in the /24 network, meaning that there could be 0 to 255 hosts in my network. Now to see which hosts are online, I will copy the full network address, clear my screen and type the command sudo nmap space dash sn space paste the address with the subnet mask. Here sn means that it is a ping sweep. It will ping the IP address from 0 to 255. The devices that are online will respond to the ping request, and that's how we can know which devices are online. You can also write 0 to 255. This is the same thing as saying /24. So after giving this command, I will press enter. After the scanning has been completed, I can see that there are 4 devices that are online in my network and the scanning took 2.5 seconds. This is the IP of the first device that is online, and this is the MAC address. This is the second device with the MAC address, and this is the third device with the MAC address. The fourth one is my own IP address, the IP address of my Kali Linux. So that's how you scan devices in a local network. Now let's see how to scan devices in a remote network. So I will type the command sudo nmap space dash sn. The command is the same, and specify the network that you want to scan. By the way, if you want to know how do I know this option, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Nmap cheat sheet. In this video I have used this option which skips port scanning and does a ping scan, but you can get all the options from beginner to advanced, and you will also get the Nmap script categories with which you can find vulnerabilities in a network. You will get this cheat sheet in the first link in the description box. So after writing this command, I will press enter. I can see that there are 32 devices that are online. The scanning took 1.4 seconds. I can see the IP of the devices that are online. I do not see the MAC address because I'm scanning a remote network. Speaking of remote network, if you are wondering where did I find this address, this is a vulnerable machine from the website TryHackMe, which I have full permission to scan. So never scan any remote network that you do not have the permission to scan. This video is completely for educational purposes. So this is how to find devices that are online in a network. Finally, if you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.